Namaste, I am Sumi Sebastian, Senior Scientific Officer Polymer in Central Coir Research Institute, Coir Board, Alleppey. Here I am presenting a topic on coir wood, the new technology in the coir sector, and it is a new entrant. It is a technology for saving the trees or to avoid the deforestation. I am going to the topic composite. What is a composite material? A composite material is a material, it is a mixture of two or more products of different structure. Two or more constituent materials with different physical and chemical properties will constitute a single material, and that will name as a composite material. Plywood is a common composite that many people encounter in their daily life. This material, our coir wood material, could be a great substitute for this plywood material. A composite, polymer composite, coming to the polymer composite material, a polymer composite is a compound between a polymer and a fibrous material. The fibrous material may be either a synthetic fiber or be a natural fiber like coir. Composite material using coconut fiber and resin have good potential in utilizing these high value fibers for the development of prefabricated building materials. Then what is the requirement? Why we have to replace plywood? As we all know, plywood, the raw material is from the trees or by cutting the trees. Now the raw materials scarcity are there for the plywood materials, and by using coir wood material we can avoid the cutting of the trees, thereby we can reduce the global warming. Then this reduces the cost of the product, prevents deforestation, and by this technology we are utilizing the agro waste for the conversion into a wood material. Now coming to the chemical composition of coir material, we can see that coir containing around 45.84% of lignin, and this lignin is responsible for the UV and thermal stability of a natural material. As we all know, teak wood is considered as the best wood ever in the wood industry, and the teak wood containing only 39.84% of lignin, whereas our coir containing around 45.84% of lignin, and it is higher than teak wood. That means our coir material is more durable and strong than teak wood when it is converted into a wood structure. For the conversion of coir into coir wood, we require the following raw materials: coir needle felt or the loose arranged fibers, resin, that will be the phenol formaldehyde resin, and we can use even coir matting or veneers to provide different varieties of coir wood material. Coir plies are available from 1 mm to 25 mm thickness, and it can be available with sandwiched with wood veneer also. First raw material is the coir needle felt. It is the non-woven coir fabric made from the coir fiber in the sheet form, and it is available in different densities also. It is the mechanically bonded or interlocked to form the continuous sheet form. By the needle punching technology, we are converting the loosely arranged fibers into coir needle felt material. No bonding material is required to form the coir needle felt. It is available in the varying densities from 400 to 1500 gram per meter square. Next is the resin polymer impregnation. Here we are using majorly we are using the phenolic resin or phenol formaldehyde resin that is commonly used in any other wood substitutes, and phenolics are reactive towards the lignocellulosics and having a good bonding characteristics. Water based laminating phenolic resins are being used for the production of coir wood material also. These all are the characteristics of a phenolic resin material: low cost, resistance to chemicals and heat, good electrical properties, and non-flammable material.